Today I'll show you how to quickly and safely change your permalink structure in WordPress. Whether you want cleaner URLs for better SEO or you just want to make your website's links more user-friendly, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to update both your site-wide permalinks and individual slugs without risking your site's integrity. Let's jump right in, because the way your links are set up does a lot more than just change how your site looks. It can affect everything from search rankings to how easy your content is to share or remember. But before we go anywhere near those settings, I want to emphasize one thing: safety comes first. If your WordPress site is brand new and you haven't published much content or gotten any traffic yet, you can change your permalink structure without much concern. However, if your site is already established and getting visitors or search engine love, changing permalinks can create 404 errors. In other words, people won't find your pages where they expect, and you could lose valuable SEO traffic. But don't worry, I'll help you minimize those risks. So the first thing we'll do is back up your entire website, both the files and the database. This step isn't just a suggestion, it's absolutely critical. Think of it like wearing a helmet before riding a bike or buckling your seatbelt before driving. If something unexpected happens, you can instantly restore your site to where things were before. You can use a plugin like Updraft Plus or BackWPup or the tools provided by your web hosting company. Make sure the backup completes successfully and keep a copy somewhere safe just in case. Now that you're protected, let's actually change your global permalink structure. Log into your WordPress dashboard and look for the menu on the left side. Hover over the Settings tab and click on Permalinks. It's usually near the bottom. Here, where WordPress gives you a few common settings, things like plain, day and name, month and name, and so on. For most sites, I recommend choosing post name, which will make your URLs look like example com post title. This isn't just prettier, it's more readable for visitors and better for SEO because search engines understand what your page is about from the URL alone. Take a moment to consider which format is right for you, and when you're ready, scroll to the bottom and hit Save Changes. WordPress will automatically update your link structure going forward. This part only takes a second, but it'll have a big impact on how your content is shared and found online. But what if you only want to change the URL for one specific post or page instead of changing everything? No problem. Open up the post or page in the WordPress editor. Over on the right, under the Document tab, you'll see a permalink section. Click to expand it and you'll notice a field labeled URL slug. This is where you can customize just that page's link. Maybe you want it to be shorter or match a new keyword. Update that text and then click Update or Publish to save your changes. It's as simple as that, but keep in mind, if the post already existed, you might want to set up a redirect from the old URL to the new one so visitors and search engines don't get lost. And that's all there is to it. You've learned how to safely back up your site, change global permalinks, and tweak individual slugs like a pro. Remember, always work with backups and take a minute to plan changes, especially if your site is already live. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and let me know in the comments if you have any questions about WordPress or other website tweaks. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.